Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, in this video you will learn in detail about the linear chain dimensions, that what are the chain dimensions in detail with the help of example. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe for more such informative videos. So let's start that what is the chain dimension. So in order to understand the chain dimensions with the help of example, so let's start to draw a figure from which we will explain the chain dimension. So the chain dimension is basically the dimensions that has been provided in a chain, means in a straight chain. So that type of dimensions will be called as chain dimension. So let me start to draw a figure. This is an arbitrary figure that we are going to draw. So now for this figure we want to draw the chain dimensions. So a chain dimension is a type of dimension which are applied or provided in a series, means in a chain, like this. As you can see, the dimension is being provided in a chain, this dimension, then this, then we find the another. So as you can see, this is the what chain dimension. So this is called the chain dimension. This dimension adjacent to this is the another dimension of this portion, and this is the another dimension in chain, means in a series, in a straight series. So this is what we call the chain dimensions, which is provided in like a chain. So if you have any questions in regarding the chain dimensions, and chain dimension is the type of a linear dimension, and the another type of the linear dimension is the datum dimension, which I have explained in the another video which is available on the channel. So if you have any question in the chain dimensions, you can ask in the comment section and I will answer. And thank you for watching this video.